All right. I've got a bunch of petals to take a picture with my puppy. Now, let's see, mamas. Let's put this somewhere nice. Ah. Come on. I wish you go somewhere else. Nope. This is the only place. Come on up here. Come up here, baby. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm recording, mamas. Let's see. There, that's a good spot. Now, up. No. Should I sit on the floor with you? All right, let's get my butt dirty. Okay, let's go. Oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, mamas. No, wait, come on. You gotta sit with me. That's perfect. Okay, good. I know you like the rose petals. I know. That's why we're gonna take a picture. Look, mamas. Look, come here. I'm gonna throw them up in the air. Come here. Oh, the ground is kind of wet from the rain. Okay, let's see. Ready? Ready? Come with me. Mamas. I know, but I need you to face the camera. Over here. Look, they're on my head. Oh my God, no. What the heck was that? Okay, ready? Look, I'm gonna throw them up. Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, I know you love me. Oh my God, yes, I know. Hold on. I'm defenseless here. Okay, hold on. Look at the camera, please. Follow the roses. You know what? Come here. You want a rose? Okay, get closer to me. Come on. Okay, puppy. Let's go. There we are. Ready? No. Okay. Why do you make everything so hard? You were doing it 5 minutes ago. Look. Ready? That's right. That's what I'm gonna do now. Come over here. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yay! All right. I'm gonna toss them up. Ready? Look up. Okay. Yeah. No, you didn't do it. And I used them all. Oh, I think I can still gather them up. Hold on. Oh, there's so many of them. Okay, ready? Ready? Watch the camera. Look up at the camera. No. I don't think we got anything, mamas. I need assistance. Oh, well. Here, you can have them now. You can play with them. You want them? You want them? Are they making little sneaks? Ready? Come here. You want them? I'm done with them. You know what? When Dimitri or Matthew get home, maybe they will help me. Toss them while we trick you. I think I can still get one of you, though. Let's see. Oh, my butt is full of mud, I think. Look at me. Look at all these flowers. You want some? All right. Oh, my butt is wet.